What's up everybody? It's Russ Layton with the Gulfstar Real Estate Group, and today I'm going to review the Bobcat S70. So if you've got a backyard of any size, you probably have some kind of an access gate on the side or back of the house. And if it's like most houses, that gate may not be very wide. In my case, I've got a 42-inch wide opening, and so I can only fit a pretty small piece of equipment back there. Then comes the S70 Bobcat. So I rented this machine from All-Star Rents a couple days ago on Watt Avenue, and so far it's performed pretty much flawlessly. It's got a little Kubota diesel engine and it sips fuel. I've been grading the backyard and I'll show you that in a minute. And so far I've been burning less than a gallon an hour. That includes the grading and dumping into a 10-yard bin I rented from Sac Green Waste. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how the machine's been running. It's powerful. It's got obviously the 4-wheel drive. It's got the two drives, so joystick left and right is how it drives. It's very maneuverable, and this will take 700 pounds in the bucket, and it'll take it up to 6 feet high. So overall, it's just been very, very useful. So yeah, if you've got a backyard and a small gate, this may be the right machine for you. And you can rent them from all sorts of places. I think Home Depot has them. I know All-Star Rents has them, United Rentals. And so this one goes for about $221 for every 8 hours, and it's got an hour meter on the engine, so that's how they calculate it. That's a one-day rental. But yeah, I'll show you some of the other features and what it's capable of. Thanks for watching. So first off, a little background. When we first got the property, the backyard was a mess. It was just a bunch of overgrown weeds and trash in the yard. So that's why we're gonna scrape the whole thing, take it down about 3 inches, and we got 11 yards of decomposed granite delivered. We're gonna lay that down once we've scraped it, and then we're gonna compact it and put some flagstone around for stepping stones. It should be a lot cleaner for the dogs and for us when we're all done. This Bobcat does weigh 2,800 pounds, so about halfway through the day I noticed these bricks were starting to buckle, and I put some plywood underneath them. I recommend doing that from the start. As you can see here, it had rained the day before, so the soil was a little bit muddy, but the Bobcat never got stuck. And overall, it helped me grade back about 3 inches of dirt in a 1,250 square foot area. And I estimate that was about 10 yards that we removed, and we put back about 10 yards of decomposed granite. There's just no way I would have been able to do this with a wheelbarrow and a shovel, so the machine was indispensable. I think in total I ran it for 7 hours, and I only burned about 3 gallons of diesel, so I would say that's pretty efficient. For $9 of fuel, the amount of backache this saved me was just incredible. If you have any questions, real estate related or otherwise, give me a call, 916-705-2292. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is what the decomposed granite looks like when it was all laid and compacted. And I only got one picture because it got dark, but this is the final product.